Well, good morning. Steve, Alaska Volkswagen Adventures, and we are fishing on the Kenai. Not sure if you can see it, but my rod is right there beside those ducks. It's raining, and I'm sitting in here making blueberry waffles. Yep, pretty rough. It's a little slow fishing, but the waffle making's going pretty good. These are blueberries that I picked up on the hillside. Now we're just sitting here waiting for them to cook. So we'll bring you back in a minute and show you what we're having. There's the first one done. It's gonna be delightful. Haven't had a waffle in over a year, so this will be a nice treat. Figured since I had some blueberries, I'd cook some waffles. Got the little waffle cooker plugged in, and it's just cooking away. Alright, progress report. Still raining outside. My fishing pole's still not doing anything. My waffles are done. Got them cooked up on my little mini waffle cooker. And I'm gonna have some breakfast. So yep, van life. It's tough, but you can still eat good. So, what do they taste like? Well, they taste like a blueberry waffle, and they're yummy. There's a whole bunch of people outside just having a good old time tonight. Or today. Yep. That's tough right there. Fresh blueberries, some waffles. Yep, I'll suffer through it. Maybe I'll catch a fish too. We'll have a fresh salmon for dinner. Okay, so while I was eating waffles, the Kenai River produced was 11.9 pounds, and that is a nice fat silver. And a couple more were caught just above me while I was dealing with mine. So hopefully we can repeat. But yeah, that's my first silver of the year. There's one that she caught. It was just over 10, and I don't know what the second one was, but he caught. So yeah, some decent silvers coming through. It was just like a quick little flurry with 4 on. I'm gonna try to finish eating my waffles. Maybe we'll get lucky and get another one. The limit currently is 3, so. Got some neighborhood moose. Cow with twins. And there, behind her. That one right there.